Yeah, let me open the paper. This is, I think, the question paper is on vectors and 3D. Is that it? Sakshi?
Sir?
Kesariya paper? How did you write the exam?
अच्छा ठीक था
ठीक था. ठीक है. और हमारा क्लास का महान लोग प्रेजेंट है. कौन है महान लोग? धनंजय, हर्षा, देवशा, जहान, वेद. नहीं आए लोग क्लास में? एक बार देखने दो यार.
Yes, sir.
आस्था है. महान लोग बोलने से गुस्सा है क्या रे? जहान,
Nice, sir.
अवनी,
मैं फोन से दूर था.
क्या बेटा?
यस सर
फोन से दूर था तो आपने नाम लिया तो फिर लेट हुआ थोड़ा बोलने में.
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा. कैसा दिया पेपर?
इसमें
ठीक है. Let me start. Let me share the screen. First question, R dot n bar is equal to Q is the equation of a plane normal to the vector. The length of the perpendicular from the origin to the plane is. Length of the perpendicular from the origin to the plane is. It is normal form to the equation of the plane. Everyone knows that. I need not have to explain. But let me wait for your question. Do you have any doubt in the first question? No one responding? R bar dot n bar is equal to Q, which implies R bar dot n bar by mod n bar is equal to Q by mod n bar. This is nothing but normal form to the equation of the plane. इसको 3D में बोलते हैं Lx plus My plus Nz is equal to P. P is the perpendicular distance from the origin. So Q by mod n bar, Q by mod n bar. That's it. 1 to 5, any doubts, please? प्रथमेश yes sir बोल रहा है. 1 to 5, any doubts, please? First one is C. Second one, if you're not asking any doubts, means I'll close the session now itself. No issues at all. Because if you're not asking anything means it is to be taken granted that you answered every question correctly and you don't have any doubts. है ना तन्वी?
सर फिफ्थ
Before fifth, please. Before fifth, any doubts? Second one, धनंजय है क्लास में? पार्श, वेद, रचित, कोई भी नहीं है क्लास में? ठीक है. If you see the second question, you're not asking, but I'm telling you this. This is the D, that means the intercepts of the plane are given. The plane means the coordinate axis A, B, C, and the foot of the perpendicular from the origin O to the plane is P. OA bar is A, OB is B, OC is C, and hence the plane equation becomes X by A plus Y by B plus Z by C is equal to 1. And the P is the centroid of the triangle ABC. And P is the foot of the perpendicular from the origin to the plane. And hence, you will have 1 by A upon, if it is A 0, 0, 0 B 0, 0 0 C, then centroid will be A by 3, B by 3, C by 3. Then take the ratio A by 3 upon 1 by A, because that is the foot of the perpendicular. B by 3 upon 1 by B, C by 3 upon 1 by C. So you will get A square is equal to B square is equal to C square, and hence you will have second option here. Okay. Fifth one, before 5, no doubts, no? No one is asking any doubt here. Fifth one, at which point does the line joining cut the plane? This is a direct question here. You can straight away verify the option. At which point does the line joining the point cut the plane means, what is to be done here? You have to first write the symmetric form of the line. What is symmetric form of the line? This is 2. What are the DRs of the line? First write that. -1. 2 minus 3. -1. -3 plus 4. 1. And 1 plus 5. 6. So these are the DRs of the line. That means line equation, you know, symmetric form x minus 2 by -1 is equal to y plus 3 by 1 is equal to z minus 1 by 6. We take it as lambda. And it is minus lambda plus 2. That is 2 minus lambda. And this will be lambda minus 3. Lambda minus 3. And this will be 6 lambda plus 1. This gives you every point. This gives you every point at any point on the line. But it must lie on the plane. So multiply, that is substitute this point in the plane equation. 2 into 2 minus lambda plus lambda minus 3 plus 6 lambda plus 1 is equal to 7, please. Now this is minus 2 lambda plus lambda minus lambda plus 6 lambda, 5 lambda is equal to, this is 4 minus 3, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 7 minus 2, 5, lambda is equal to 1. Substitute this lambda is equal to 1 here. Then what will you get? This is 1 minus 2, 7. That's it. This is the answer. Okay. Who asked it? Priyanshi?
No, sir. Sakshi asked me.
कौन पूछा?
Sir,
साक्षी?
yes, sir. Sir, वो आंसर बी और सी में कुछ आई थिंक कैलकुलेशन मिस्टेक.
हाँ, प्रथमेश ने इधर 1 to 5 no dots दिया और centroid A by 3, then we get B x minus x1. ठीक है. हाँ, ये तो हो गया ना बेटा. 1 to 5 no doubts. I'm moving forward.
Yes. Seventh question.
Yeah. Seventh one, the points on the line. Who asked this?
Me. The answer.
So you write this in this way, the general form or the parametric form of the line, take I bar common 1 plus t, coefficient, j bar common 1 plus 3t, k bar common 1 minus t. So this represents every point at any point on the line. And this point is at a distance of 3 units from the plane. Take the plane in the Cartesian form so that you will be comfortable. R bar is nothing but x, y, z. See, this becomes x plus 2y plus 2z plus 2 is equal to 0. You find out the perpendicular distance from this point to the plane and equate it to 0. That is 1 plus t plus 2 plus 6t plus 2 minus 2t plus 2 under the modulus. Perpendicular distance formula, please. I need not have to tell you modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus e by. Modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d by root over a square plus b square plus c square is nothing but 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square. 3. It is given to be 3. So this becomes 70 minus 2t, 5t, 5t, and it is 3 plus 2, 5 plus 2, 7 is equal to plus or minus 9. Modulus removed. Then t becomes 9 minus 7, 2 by 5. And minus 9 minus 7, minus 16 by 5. Substitute this in this point, t value in this point to get the point. 1 plus 2 by 5, 7 by 5. Check where 7 by 5 is lying. 7 by 5 is lying here, here, and here, but to be decided. And go to the second point, that will be 11 by 5 minus 11 by 5. So substitute minus 16 by 5. 1 minus 16 by 5, minus 11 by 5. So minus 11 by 5 is present here. So this is not the answer. This will be the answer. D is the answer. This is the method. Yes. All the other people, are you following this? This model is important. Model is important. And writing the 3D line in the parametric form is important. Writing the 3D line in the parametric form is important, please. If you know that almost 60 to 70% problems of 3D and vectors is done. You must know how to write the 3D line equation in parametric form. D is the answer, Priyanshi.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Next, please. 8 to 10 or 5 to 10. Rachit is there in the class. Pratham Shah, sir, can you tell us answer of the all questions so that we can verify? Yeah, surely. 7th question
Sir,
was
fifth
asked
one.
by Vedant. Vedant asked for 7th question. I answered it. Vedant, is it okay now?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Now let me tell you the key so that let me open it. One moment. PC D MJC question papers and key. It's open. Should I read it? Should I read it, beta? I think it is not given as a table. Only this is it's solutions. This is with solutions. If you say this, first question answer is C. Just check it out. First question answer is C. And second question, please note down. Second question answer. Are you doing it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Second is B. and third is C, fourth A, fifth question B, sixth question D, seventh D, eighth A, ninth B, and 10th where is 10th here? 10th A, 11th B, 12th C, 13th A, 14th A, 15th D, 16th A, 17th C, 18th C, 19th D, 20th B, 20B, 21 7, 22 minus 2, 22 minus 2.00, 23 10.61, 24 6.00. Whatever is given, I am reading that. 24 6.00, 25 2.00. Now, let us continue. Yes, please, make it fast.
Sir, fifth one.
Which one, beta?
Fifth one.
Fifth, huh?
Sir.
अभी किया ना हमने फिफ्थ. कोई पूछ रहा था.
सर
अभी बता दिया बेटा ये. अभी बताया. लेट आया क्या तू क्लास में? ठीक है, कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. इसका सिमेट्रिक फॉर्म लिखो, इसका पैरामेट्रिक फॉर्म लिखो, लाइन का पैरामेट्रिक फॉर्म वो लेके इसमें सब्स्टिट्यूट करना. टी का वैल्यू निकल जाएगा. कैसा देखो इसका, ये लाइन का सिमेट्रिक फॉर्म लिखेंगे सो दैट यू विल अंडरस्टैंड x माइनस 2 ए वाई प्लस 3 z माइनस 1. फिर से बता रहा हूं मैं. ये तो 2 माइनस 3 माइनस 1 हो गया. ये माइनस 3 प्लस 4 1 हो गया. 1 plus 5 6. That's it. Take it as lambda and substitute this point in the plane equation. Get the value of lambda and substitute again in this point. Cross multiply this. ठीक है. ये lambda का value फिर से इसमें substitute करना पड़ता है to get the point of intersection. Who asked this?
Sir, Atharva.
Atharva, do you understand this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, next please. Up to 10th.
Sir, 6th.
Sir, 8.
The distance of the point from the line. Distance of the point from the line. You create first symmetric form of it. Like what? X minus 1 by minus 1. Y minus 0 by 2. Z plus 1 by 3. Take it as lambda. Okay. Now, what is the point here on this line? X, Y, Z is equal to 1 minus lambda, 2 lambda, and 3 lambda minus 1. This is the point on this line. Represents every point and any point on the line. Now, the point is given. You have to find out the perpendicular distance from that point to this line. Okay. Now, what is the point here? 2, 3, 4. You take this as point F, which is foot. Foot of perpendicular. We need the perpendicular distance. When it is foot of the perpendicular, understand that because it is a perpendicular angle between them is 90 degrees, A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 equal to 0. What is A1, A2? The DRs of the line. Minus 1, 2, 3. A1, A2, A1, B1, C1 हो गया. Or A2, B2, C2 we want. That means write the DRs of these two. F and this point. 1 minus lambda minus 2. That is 1 minus lambda minus 2 minus lambda minus 1 plus 2 into. Anyone, do you help me out? Plus 2 into difference of these two. 2 lambda minus 3. What is our task here? We want to find out the value of lambda here. Plus 3 into 3 lambda minus 1 minus 4. 3 lambda minus 1 minus 4 minus 5 is equal to 0. इधर से आपको lambda का value निकल जाएगा. Lambda plus 4 lambda, 5 lambda plus 9 lambda, 14 lambda. ठीक है. A1 plus minus 6 minus 5 minus 20 minus 5 minus 15 minus 20 is equal to 20. Lambda is equal to 10 by 7. Substitute this 10 by 7 in the point and find out the perpendicular distance. Find out the distance between them. You substitute this point here, lambda value here. Then you will get F. Anyone? Do you help me out in writing F there? 1 minus 10 by 7 minus 3 by 7. Okay.
20 by 7.
20 by 7. 30 minus 7. 23 by 7. You have to find out the distance between them. 2 points, you know. This is P. And find out the distance between them. 2 plus 3 by 7 whole square. 3 minus 20 by 7 whole square. 4 minus 23 by 7 whole square. How much will it be? PF we need. PF. Just find out the distance. Okay. 14 minus 3 means this is can you do that? Anyone did it?
समझा.
समझा ना? दिव्या पूछा ये?
हाँ.
अभी कर सकते हैं ना?
हाँ.
या. प्रथमेश बोल रहा है ये 23 by 7. ठीक है. 23 by 7 ये है क्या? मेरे को अलग आया. क्यों आया अलग? देखो एक बार -15 -6 -21 -21 plus 1 -20. ये करेक्ट है. 10 by 7. There were for the points. Okay. That's it. Next, someone asked. Next question. Eighth. Someone asked eighth there. Who asked eighth?
Yes, sir. Atharva.
अथर्वा ये तो डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला है बेटा. लाइन में है तो दिस इज P11 by P22 डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला. अगर if it is a straight line, it will be minus L11 by L22. What does it mean? I'll make it for the line so that you will understand for the plane. A line is there and 2 points are there. A line is there, 2 points are there. One point is P x1y. Second point is Q x2y. If you join these two lines, if you join these two lines, if you join these 2 points, these two lines may intersect or may not intersect. If they intersect directly, the ratio will be negative, or the ratio will be positive. If they do not intersect directly, then the ratio will be negative. That means they intersect externally. For this one, only this formula is used. Simple, very simple. Is that substitute the point in this one, numerator, put a minus before it, and substitute the second point in this one, denominator. That's it. If you want the derivation, I'll do that. We did it. The point is, the line is, I'll show it for the straight line so that it will work out for both. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is the line. Then if to take the ratio as lambda is to 1, then what happens? This lambda is to 1 gives you a point P, which is point of intersection. What is the point of intersection there? What is the point of intersection? Point of intersection is lambda x2 plus x1 by lambda plus 1. That means that point must lie on the line lambda x2 plus x1 upon lambda plus 1 plus b into y coordinate, please, lambda y2 plus y1 upon lambda plus 1 plus c equal to 0. तो इधर से हमको लैम्डा का वैल्यू निकल जाएगा. लैम्डा विल बी माइनस ऑफ ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by ax2 plus by2 plus c. That's it. ठीक है ना? Who asked this?
Sir,
कौन बेटा?
Atharva.
अथर्वा, do you understand
Yes,
this?
sir.
इसको हम सिंपली याद रखने के लिए क्या बोलते हैं? लाइन का इक्वेशन में x11 सब्स्टिट्यूट, लाइन को L बोलते हैं. x1 y1
हाँ, sir.
सब्स्टिट्यूट माइनस L11, x2 y2 सब्स्टिट्यूट L22. इसको क्या है? अभी प्लेन पे आ जाएगा, ऐसा आ जाएगा प्लेन पे. ऐसा देखो एक बार. If you want to extend this to plane will be like this, and the point will be P and Q. Same, but what happens? You will get ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0. ठीक है ना? Then it will be minus P11 by P22. Remember, this is an important result. Minus P11 by P2. So what all the properties are there for the line? 2D line, straight away, they can be taken away to 3D line, 3D plane, please. 3D plane. Plane is always 3D only. Just for the understanding sake, I wrote. All the concepts of 2D line can be extended to 3D line with what? With extra z coordinate. That's it. Next one, please. Similar to straight line, that Prathamesh is responding faster. Yeah. Anyone, please, after this? 9th, straight question, 10th one, Priyanshi.
Yes, sir.
पिछला डाउट सेशन में आपने ये क्वेश्चन पूछे थे, याद है आपको?
हाँ सर.
नहीं है, याद नहीं है यार.
सर याद है यार.
तो आंसर लिखा आपने?
हाँ सर लिखा.
क्या है रे उसका आंसर?
सर फर्स्ट वाला.
तो अभी मैं बताया ना, वही है ना. डिटर्मिनेंट मेथड बोल रहा है वो, मतलब ए बार क्रॉस बी बार मालूम करना बेटा. If you want a line which is perpendicular to both the vectors, if you want a line which is perpendicular to both the vectors, you have to find out the cross product. The cross product will be taken for the L1, M1, N1, L2, M2, N2. You don't have IJK here. That's only the difference. So this will be
Matrix form.
L1 M2 minus M1 N2 minus M2 N1, N1 L2 minus L1 N2, L1 M2 minus L2 N1. So option A, please. Next one. Is there any more? I'm moving away. Just you tell me 10 to 15. Not 10 to 15, 11 to 15. Question number 10 है इधर. 11th मिस हो गया यार. हाँ है उधर. है. अरे ये तो बेकार क्वेश्चन है रे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 कितने लोग ना किए, ऐसा नहीं पूछना, कितने लोग किए हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 कितने लोग किए हैं, एक भी नहीं किया क्या?
Yes, sir.
रेस्पॉन्ड हो जाओ बेटा कम से कम.
किया सर.
इधर
किया
थोड़ा
सर किया सर.
Yes, sir.
हाँ सर किया.
किया तो कैसा किया यार? ये तो एक बेकार क्वेश्चन है. ये क्वेश्चन कहां से ले पता नहीं यार. ये तीनों पॉइंट्स को इसमें डाल देना बेटा बस. जो ये तीनों पॉइंट्स को सेटिस्फाई करेगा वही इक्वेशन है. वो पूरा मालूम करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. ऐसा क्वेश्चन नहीं आएगा बेटा. अगर आया तो यू विल बी वेरी वेरी लकी. 111 है इधर. 111 इसको सेटिस्फाई कर रहा है. और 5 minus 6 minus 4 सब्स्टिट्यूट किया तो 10 minus 6 4 4 minus 20 ये सेटिस्फाई नहीं कर रहा है. मतलब ये बिल्कुल नहीं है क्योंकि दूसरा पॉइंट सेटिस्फाई नहीं हो रहा है. और 111 1 minus 3 minus 2 plus 5 3 सेटिस्फाई हो रहा है. और दूसरा पॉइंट 5 plus 18 23 23 minus 23 सेटिस्फाई हो रहा है. तीसरा पॉइंट
सेटिस्फाई हो रहा है, सारे हो रहे हैं.
हाँ minus 8 minus 9 minus 17 plus 20 ये भी हो गया. That's it. वो पूरा करने की जरूरत भी नहीं है. श्रीवर्धन बोलो.
यस सर.
हमने हाथ उठाया.
नो सर, आपने पूछा ना किसको किसको किया तो सर.
Very good. Next please. Any more? If O is the origin, A is the point ABC, then the equation of the plane through A and at right angles to OA. Right angles to OA. A is ABC. A is ABC and O is 0 0 0. तो इसका normal dr हो जाएगा ABC and the plane is passing through ABC. So A into x minus A plus B into x minus y minus B plus C into Z minus C is equal to 0. That's it. Next. Should I move forward?
यस सर.
Yeah, question number 12 is finished. Now question number 13, please. The coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular drawn from the point to the join of the points BC. Anyone did it? Foot of the perpendicular is very much similar to 2D line. 2D line, I gave you shortcut also for this, which is x1 minus a lambda, y1 minus b lambda, z1 minus c lambda, where lambda is equal to ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d whole divided by a square plus b square plus c square. Means you have to substitute that point in the plane equation if the plane is given. But here the line is given. The line is given. If it is for the plane, you have to, I want to revise this. That's why I have taken this formula. But if it is a line, just now I said you have to write the parametric form of the line. What is the parametric form of the line BC? That means, let me show you through the diagram. So this is the perpendicular and this is the line given, and then let it be foot, and these are the points given B 471 and this is C 353, and what is the point given? A 103. You need the perpendicular distance. Find out foot and find the distance. That's it. Coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular. Coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular means same symmetric form you have to write. Symmetric form. How to write the symmetric form here? Write the DRs of BC, please. What are the DRs of BC? 3 minus 4 minus 1 into lambda. This is 5 minus 7 minus 2 lambda. And it is 3 minus 1. 2 lambda. Take this point. 4 minus lambda. Do you understand what I'm talking about?
Yes, sir.
Let me write more clearly so that this is for the plane you have to apply, please, because all the concepts of 2D line can be extended to 3D plane straight away. So what is that I'm saying here? This is x minus 4 divided by 3 minus 4 minus 1, y minus 7 divided by 5 minus 7 minus 2, z minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1, 2. Take it as lambda. That's what I'm saying. Then you will get f here. What should be f then? What should be f? F represents, we will take every point at any point on the line. That is, cross multiply 4 minus lambda, comma, minus 7 minus 2 lambda, comma, 2 lambda plus 1. Just now I said the method. What are the DRs of this line? Minus 1, minus 2, 2. DRs of this line are this. And write the DRs of AF and write the dot product. Are you with me? Write the dot product and get the value of lambda. Substitute that lambda here. You will get foot of the perpendicular. If you want to go for verification also, you can go. How you know? Take the DRs of each option with A. Take the DRs of each option with A and find the dot product with minus 1, minus 2, 2. Whichever is giving you 0, that will be the answer. Foot of the perpendicular, because it is at 90 degrees. It is at 90 degrees. I think this method just now I discussed to find out the perpendicular distance. Just now I discussed, but here it is, you have to find out the foot, that's all. That problem is bigger than this because you have to find out the distance there. Now you have to find out foot here. Everyone, is it okay? This is,
Sir.
should I leave this?
Yes, sir.
This is the method you have to follow. I'm leaving it. Next. Question number 14 is image or reflection of the point. This is the plane, please. Now I'll make you understand this. This is the plane. 3x minus 5y plus 4z minus 5 equal to 0. This is the plane. And just now I said for the foot I gave you the formula. For the image it is x1 minus 2a lambda, y1 minus 2b lambda, z1 minus 2c lambda. What is lambda? Just substitute the point here in this equation. 3 into 1, 3, minus 10, minus 7, minus 7, minus 4, minus 11, minus 11, minus 5, minus 16, divided by a square plus b square plus c square, 9 plus 25, 34 plus 16, 50. It is minus, this is also there, no? We missed out this. 3 minus 10 minus 7 minus 7 minus 4 minus 11 minus 5. Yeah, it's correct. Minus 11 by 50 is nothing but minus 8 by 25. Check the denominators there. 25 is there. So how to get this? X1 means the point given 1. Minus 2 into a means this one. 2 into a, 6. 6 minus 6 minus 8 plus 48 by 25. So 25 plus 48 is how much? It is 73. There are two options there, and the next one will give you the answer. Y1 is 2 minus 2b. B means this one. Minus 5 into 2. This is plus 10 minus 80 by 25. Check it out, please. What will it be? Minus 30 by 25. Minus 6 by 5. This is the answer. So make use of it. The foot of the perpendicular from a point to a plane will not contain this. Foot of the perpendicular from a point to a plane will not contain 2. Will not contain 2. I repeat. फूट के लिए 2 नहीं रहेगा, लेकिन इमेज के लिए 2 रहेगा. 2 रहेगा. That's only the difference. लैम्डा सेम है. लैम्डा सेम है. फिर भी आपका रेफरेंस के लिए एक बार वो शॉर्टकट लिख रहा हूं. आप नोट कर लो. आप नोट कर लो. Just make a note of it. देखो. Foot of oblique image. I'll say and, that will be better. Foot and image of x1, y1, z1 on the plane. Ax plus by, Ax plus by plus cz plus t equal to 0, or respectively x1 minus a lambda. कोई बताएंगे? कोई मेरे को हेल्प करेंगे लिखने के लिए?
Yes, sir. It is x1 minus a lambda, y1 minus b lambda, z minus c lambda, comma x1 minus 2a lambda, y1 minus 2b lambda, and z1 minus 2c lambda.
पार्श आ गया क्लास में, धनंजय भी क्लास में आ गया. Where lambda is equal to O लोग बोलेंगे. वेद नहीं आया आज.
नहीं मैं हूँ.
शुरुआत से है क्या क्लास में?
नहीं सर, डाउट्स नहीं थे इसमें.
गुड. तो लैम्डा ये है. ये फॉर्मूला में बताया था, वेद याद है ये?
यस सर.
a square plus b square plus c square.
स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो उसका. टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट प्लीज. This formula is important, short form of it. This is the formula to be remembered. इसके लिए इमेज के लिए 2 ना रहेगा, इमेज के लिए 2 रहेगा, फूड के लिए इमेज ना रहेगा. This is food, this is image. फूड है ये, इमेज है ये, पॉइंट ये है और प्लेन वो है. दिस इज द प्लेन, दिस इज द पॉइंट. एंड आपको और भी क्लियरली चाहिए, ऐसा रहेगा. This is the plane, let me say. This is the plane. Now, let me take a point here. This is point, and this is the food. Let me say this is the food. And obviously this will be the image. Plane is the mirror. Plane is the mirror. तो पॉइंट चाहिए आपको, फुट चाहिए, तो ये पॉइंट को P ले लेते हैं और इसको F बोल दिया, और ये बीच का एंगल रहेगा 90, इसको I बोल दिया. दिस इज व्हाट exactly if you want to understand. Foot image. Foot is the midpoint of I and P, image under given point. This is what. Now take the screenshot. Now take the screenshot, please. Clear? I'm erasing it. Done. Any more, please? Next, please. Anyone? Question number 15. I'm moving away. That's an easy question. Question number 16. The equation of the straight line passing through the points. Direct question है, अभी मैं बताया ये. ये बहुत आसान से दिया ये क्वेश्चन पेपर यार. X minus 4 by minus 1 minus 4 minus 5, y plus 5 divided by a 5 plus 5 10, और z plus 2 divided by a 3 plus 2 5. That's what it is. So it is divide करो 5 से, minus 1 minus 5 से divide करो, 1 minus 2 minus 1, 4 5 2. This is the answer. That's it. Need not be like this. It can be like this also. You can make use of the second point also here. X plus 1, y minus 5, z minus 3 भी ले सकते हैं. तब इसका ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं. So in the advanced examination, if they want to give the question, it can be given like this. Another option. This is also correct, because we divide with the 5 here. We divide with 5 here. So 2 answers can also be given for this. 2 answers can also be given for this. Next, please. No one asked that question number 16. I explained it. Okay. This is straight away the locus of the vertex C means take C as x, y, z. Take C as x, y, z, and write AC square is equal to BC square. Simplify this to get the locus. That's it.
C आता है.
ठीक है. That's a direct question, easy question also. The distance of the plane passing through the point P111 and perpendicular to the line. Perpendicular to the line. Plane is passing through 111 and perpendicular to the line means normal DRs are indirectly given. Normal DRs are 3, 0, 4. And the point is x minus 1, y minus 1. Just for the reference, I'm writing that becomes anyway 0. Z minus 1. Beach mein plus hai. In between plus is equal to 0. This is the plane. 3x plus 4z minus 3 minus 4 minus 7 is equal to 0. Perpendicular distance from this one. Perpendicular distance formula modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c. Minus 3 minus 4 minus 7. कुछ गड़बड़ है इधर. Perpendicular to the line from the horizon पूछ रहा है. ठीक है. ए पॉइंट से नहीं है, वो पॉइंट तो रहेगा ना, इसलिए जीरो आ रहा है। देखो एक मैं इधर से परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस लिख रहा हूँ, यू विल गेट जीरो बिकॉज इट लाइज ऑन इट, it lies on it. What is the perpendicular distance formula from the origin? Please, anyone respond?
upon under root
P upon root of a square plus x b square.
वो तो स्ट्राइट लाइन का है, ए प्लेन का ऐसा रह जाएगा 7 divided by 5. That's it. किया आस्था?
Yes, sir, किया.
Yes, next one, the equation of the straight line passing through the point ABC and parallel to z-axis. What are the DCs of z-axis? 0, 0, 1. This is passing through ABC. X minus a by 0 is equal to y minus 0 by 0, y minus b by 0. Is equal to z minus c by 1. That should be the answer. Which one, please? D. बहुत आसान है ये क्वेश्चन पेपर में। मेरे ख्याल से आपको आउट ऑफ 25 क्वेश्चंस, if you are not getting 20 correct, if you are not getting 20 correct means बहुत बेकार है, उसमें कुछ भी नहीं है। मतलब you have to practice a lot then. You have to practice a lot. Yes, from 21 to 25, please. 21 to 25, the length of the perpendicular drawn from 1, 2, 3 to the line. Just now we discussed it. The question is repeated. The question is repeated. You create the parametric form of the line and write the dot product 0. And thereby you'll get lambda, and thereby you'll get the point. After getting the point, find out the length of the perpendicular. That's it. The value of lambda for which the lines are coplanar. Coplanar means the determinant becomes 0. The determinant becomes 0. So it is 3 minus 1, 2 is there. DRs of the first line. DRs of the first line means the DRs of the line which is parallel to the first line. 3 minus 1, 2, and it is 1 minus 1, 1 lambda, and it is write the DRs of the point 1, 3, 1 and 5, 1, 5. 1, 5, 1 minus 5 minus 4, and it is 3 minus 1, 2, and it is 1 minus 5 minus 4 is equal to 0. You'll get the value of lambda. Anyone did it? बेटा बात करना, बेटा बात तो करना पड़ता है। आप लोग ऐसा बैठने से मैं क्या समझो क्या? What should I think? You have to respond, please. Whether you did it or not, I have to know.
Yes, sir, I did it.
जो लोग रेस्पॉन्स देते हैं वही देते रहते हैं यार। बाकी लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? वेद किया?
Yes, sir.
पार्श?
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
अवनी? हर्ष? अवनी किया कि नहीं किया?
Sir.
नहीं किया बेटा। वेदांत? अक्षय? अक्षय? नाथन डिसौजा? जहान? किया बेटा ये 22 क्वेश्चन जहान? क्या थोड़ा
हाँ इजी है।
जोश से बताओ यार, जोश से बताओ। सो रहा है ना एग्जाम लिखने के बाद, अभी सो रहा है, नींद में से उठा है। मैं सॉरी बेटा, सो जाओ सो जाओ।
नहीं सर, नहीं सर।
सो जाओ बेटा। 23 if the angle between the line and the plane is pi by 6, then the sum of the all real values of lambda अरे वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है बेटा, लाइन और प्लेन का एंगल cos थीटा नहीं है। अगर एक प्लेन है ऐसा और लाइन है, कोई बोल रहा है? कौन?
Yes, sir, we know the formula.
ये लाइन है, समझ लो ये लाइन है, ये प्लेन का नॉर्मल है। नॉर्मल को रेड में दिखा रहा हूं, प्लेन का नॉर्मल है। नहीं तो ये रेड वाला लाइन है, तो इसको नॉर्मल ले लो, ये 90 डिग्रीज वाला है। और आपको फॉर्मूला cos थीटा अप्लाई करने से ये वैल्यू निकल जाएगा लाइन का, और दो लाइन का नॉर्मल का निकल जाएगा, ये cos थीटा हो जाता है। लेकिन हमको चाहिए ये प्लेन और इसका चाहिए, तो you will be getting not cos theta but cos 90 minus theta you'll get. Very important point please. समझ रहे हैं क्या बोल रहा हूं मैं? इधर थीटा निकलेगा आपको, लेकिन ये नहीं चाहिए हमको, प्लेन और लाइन का चाहिए, तो ये हो जाता है 90 माइनस थीटा। सो cos 90 माइनस थीटा मालूम करो बस। 15 plus 6 21, 21 minus 6 lambda under modulus divided by a root over 34 plus lambda square, ये लिखा 5 square plus 3 square plus lambda square। ये बताओ कितना है? 9 plus 4 30, 13 plus 36 a 49 हो जाता है। बस इसको सिंप्लीफाई करना है। इन्होंने इस पाई बाई 6 बोल रहा है, मतलब angle between the plane and the line, plane and the line is 90 minus theta. It is given to be 30. It is given to be 30. तो हमको क्या चाहिए? 90 minus theta is equal to 30. Theta is equal to 60. Cos 60 1 by 2. Square कर दो, 1 by 4 into 34 plus lambda square into 49 is equal to 21 minus 6 lambda whole square. That's it. Simplify this please to get the values of lambda. वेद ये किया?
Yes, sir.
Got the answer?
Yes, sir.
Parsha? Dhananjay?
यस सर।
Yeah.
नहीं सर, मैंने लास्ट का नहीं किया।
24 shortest distance between the lines important है, very important है। आपको बोर्ड में है तो ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। बोर्ड में 12th का है कि नहीं? बोर्ड में 12th में
है सर।
12th में
हाँ,
three
sir.
unit vectors
Yes, sir.
है तो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है बेटा, ये लॉन्ग आंसर क्वेश्चन के लिए। तो शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला मॉड्यूलस ऑफ बॉक्स प्रोडक्ट ऑफ C bar minus A bar B bar D bar whole divided by modulus of B bar cross D bar। ये अच्छा रहेगा आपको। इधर मैं ये सेपरेटली मेंशन कर रहा हूं, वेयर A bar is 2 4 छिप गया, ये क्या है? 2 4 एक मिनट 5 2 4 5 और ये हो जाता है पॉइंट है ये, और C बार हो जाता है दूसरा पॉइंट 1 2 3 एंड B बार हो जाता है 3 4 5 ADR से, और D बार हो जाता है 2 3 4। दैट्स इट। इसमें सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है। It is better to remember this in the vectorial form so that you can write the determinant directly instead of by hearting the formula in 3D. Anyone did it? I gave the answers
Yes, sir.
also.
Yes, sir.
बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है बेटा.
Yes.
ये तो मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, ये तो आपको बोर्ड में भी लॉन्ग आंसर क्वेश्चन के लिए बहुत बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. ठीक है, you can do that. Next, the line joining the point meets the plane at the point ABC. Let us close it. 3 into directly लिख रहा हूँ, देखो ये 1 DRs please. 3 minus 1 2 lambda plus 2 into parametric form please. Parametric form 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 lambda plus z. This is 2 minus lambda must be equal to 6. You must practice it like
Sir,
that.
we can do directly with minus P11 upon P22.
So this 6 lambda minus 6 lambda getting cancelled. 3 plus 2 5. 5 plus 2 7. Lambda is equal to 1. Lambda 1 substitute कर लो इसमें. इसमें substitute करने से point निकल जाएगा. What is the point? 1 plus 2 3 and 1 minus 3 minus 2 and it is 2 minus 1 1. Okay, ये तो ABC हो जाता है. A plus B plus C क्या हो जाता है?
2.
Respond हो जाओ ना, बाकी लोग सो रहे हैं क्या?
2.
That's it.
2.
So if you practice it, if you understand the concept like that, you can solve these problems very easily, please. Very easily. But Prathamesh बोल रहा है, but we don't get marks for integers. तो 0.00 लिखो ना. 0.00 लिखो बेटा. आदत कर लो. आदत कर लो. Habituate to writing 0.00 because they are said to be integer. क्या बोल रहे हैं questions को? Integer type questions बोल रहे हैं, क्या बोल रहे हैं? I solve the
हाँ
integers
sir,
for
integer
self
type.
practice. Prathamesh. Okay. क्या बोल रहे बेटा? कुछ बोला आपने? What did you say? Okay. Should I close it?
Yes, sir.
If
Thank
you
you,
say
sir.
yes, I
Thank
will
you, sir.
close it.
Yes, sir. Thank you,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, beta.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye, sir.